Good afternoon and welcome all. I'll just give you Madhunathan sir to start today's session.
Madam, I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
I'm visible, no?
Yes, sir.
Shall I start?
Yes, sir, please continue.
Yeah, good afternoon to each and everyone. I'm Dr. Manjunath, Associate Professor and Head, Veterinary College, Hassan. I'm here for an event coordination of an valedictory session of 21 days summer school, that is livelihood security through sustainable horticulture and allied enterprises through online mode. It was started on 10 today, it's ending on. Okay, that's jointly organized by ICR, Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture, Srinagar, KVK Baramulla, and NADCL Baramulla. This NADCL Baramulla, for the information to the everybody, this is one of an esteemed organization, is working for a service of an pharma, that is NADCL, is National Agriculture Development Corporation Limited, located in Baramulla of Jammu and Kashmir. Is primarily established to serve as a bridge for a communication between agriculture scientist, extension worker, and farmer. Here, they will going to see what is the farmer facing the problem. This problem will be given to the that's as an assignment or something like this. Then you're going to find the solution. The same solution will be given to the farmer. This will go to bridge and bridge between the farmer, extension worker, and also you can say agriculture or maybe any scientist. Thus, especially in case of corona pandemic, there is NADCL conducted more than 21 days, and that's an 21 days training, maybe summer school, winter school, refresher courses like this. And this as more than seven international conferences has been conducted in collaboration with different SUVs of different states of all over India. And also that's some central institution and along with some other agencies, and is one of the premier institute regarding training for farmers, training for a scientist, and training for a faculty. Is working on that's bridging and also transformation of information between the scientist and also farmer. Yeah, coming to that's an international conference. Last time we conducted in Chhattisgarh, we got a very good appreciation. Okay, this international conference is gaining in a more importance. We are inviting a speaker from different parts of an award, and we communicating with local bodies, and there is an exchange of knowledge between local bodies with foreigners, or maybe we can say about abroad people. Thereby, we can exchange our thoughts and everything. We can improve the farmers, the livelihood and everything. We will. That's NADCL look forward to conduct so many. Or maybe we can say about we are looking forward to conduct any international conferences, or maybe we can say about 21 days training. If someone come forward, we can collaborate and we can do an international conference. This is regarding an NADCL. Now we will move on to the today's session. That's a valedictory session. That so many can say about the galaxy of renowned personalities with us, participants are with us, resource person are with us. Now officially we are starting this. Now I'll request Dr. Shoaib Nasir Kirmani, that is a course director. He was the person behind for successful completion of this 21 days training program. He is an SMS horticulture, ICAR, CATH, KVK Baramulla. Now I'll request Dr. Shoaib to do a welcome address.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So today we are being joined by our guests, our chief guest of honor, Dr. Jagrati B. Deshmania, Administrative Officer, University for Agricultural Sciences, Professor Niranjan Panda, Dean of Research, Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology. Okay, and Dr. Rehana Habib, ma'am, she is Director of Extensions Cost Kashmir, and our chief guest, Dr. M. Muhammad Thapa, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University for Agriculture Sciences, Raichur in Karnataka. Sir, I, along with my participants and colleagues, welcome you all in this valedictory function of 21 days summer school, which we started from 10th July up to 30th. Sir, I welcome you. Sir, briefly, I can brief about this summer school briefly. Our title of this summer school was Livelihood Security through Sustainable Horticulture and Allied Enterprises. It is my privilege to present a brief summary of this knowledge-packed and interactive academic journey that began on 10th July under the joint auspices of ICR, CITH, KVK Baramulla, and NADCL. Sir, I was acting as a course director of this whole program along with my, you can say, mentor, Dr. Wasim Hassan Raja, who is a senior scientist at ICR, Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture. Sir, we tried to cover almost all the topics. I can't say we covered all the topics, but we tried to cover almost all the topics that fit into this livelihood security through sustainable horticulture and allied enterprises. So we were joined by the resource persons from our own institute, Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture, our SCOST University, Kashmir University, and we were joined by resource persons from outside of the state, central institutes, as well as from other state universities. So our participants are mostly of the assistant professor level and above. Some of the participants are PhD scholars. They were very much interactive during the entire session. So our 30 technical sessions mainly included the lectures that were there. It covered diversification in temperate, tropical, and arid fruit crops. These lectures were some of the lectures were delivered by our ex-director, Dr. DB Singh, Dr. R.K. Rana, who is presently working in Atari as principal scientist. Some lectures were covered under natural and organic farming practices. That was covered by Dr. Rehana Habib ma'am. Sir, other topic we chose was soil health and nutrient management, in which we covered topics like vermicomposting, biofertilizers. They were covered by the scientists that were from SCOST Kashmir. So we also covered the sessions on crop breeding and biotechnology innovations, the lectures of which were given. Some lectures were given by our own, from our own institute, which covered the breeding works that we are doing in Umri by Dr. Javed Iqbal Mir, who is a principal scientist there, and some smart breeding approaches was discussed by our head KVK Baramulla and a senior scientist, Dr. Wasim Hassan Raja. He discussed smart breeding approaches that we can use in detail, and was a very informative sessions. So then other sessions were regarding post-harvest technologies and value addition. These were covered by Dr. Puneet, who is a scientist at our institute and from IARA as well. Sir, about the high-density plantation systems in apple, that was covered by the head of the division Fruit Science, SCOST Kashmir, Dr. Ashik Pandit, sir. Then we also covered some sessions regarding entrepreneurship opportunities that were covered by in charge of the Tulip Garden, Dr. Imran Ahmed, and Dr. Ishtiaq Ahmed Khan from KVK Anantnag, who is the PC there. Then, sir, some miscellaneous lectures were also here about the underutilization of the underutilized fruit crops. That was covered by Dr. Arusa Khalil. About the forage crops, it was covered by the scientists from the IGFRI, Dr. Suhail Ahmed and Dr. Shiraz Ahmed. So with that, sir, we also included interactive sessions and assignments that were that ensured active participation and practical learning from our participants. Sir, I would also like to thank our mentors, Dr. Mahinder Kumar Verma, who helped us in managing all these in all these days and setting up this platform to conduct these trainings online. Sir, at the end of this, I would like to thank all the resource persons that were with us during all these days, our speakers, and whose contribution made this program rich in content and relevance. I also take a moment to thank the organizing team of the NADCL, who worked almost relentlessly in organizing this, technical support staff of NADCL, and all the stakeholders who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the smooth execution of this summer school. And lastly, our participants. Your presence, enthusiasm, and commitment made this academic event a success. We hope the insights gained here will translate into impactful action and innovation on the ground. With this, I conclude the summary, wishing you all success in your future endeavors. Thank you. So over to you.
Yeah, thank you, the show Mr. Kavarmani. Yeah, for giving a welcome address and also enlightening about what are the things has been taken place in 21 days. About a participant, resource person, what are the topic are covered, everything. Thank you once again for a successful completion and congratulations for you for successful completion of this 21 days training program as a course director.
Thank you.
Now, anyway, thank you. You have done a welcoming. Now is a time to ask how was this 21 day summer school. We need to take in a feedback from the participant. Now I'll request that Manish Doc, Assistant Professor, Department of Post Harvest Food Engineering, College of Technology, GB Pantnagar. Dr. Manish Doc, please.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
give your feedback. Yeah,
Yes.
please.
Are you listening my voice?
Yes, you're audible. Please go ahead, sir.
Yes. Good afternoon to everyone. I express my sincere thanks to organizing committee for providing an opportunity to participate in summer school. As a process engineer, despite of little knowledge in field of agriculture, I like presentation of natural farming, well processing, nutrition, farmers income, national security, etc. I hope such type of training, conferences, online mode, is organized regularly for faculty development.
Manish sir, your voice is not clear. Manish Doc sir, your voice is not clear, sir. Sir, you can able to, you're audible? Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
I again, sir.
Yeah, now it's okay. Please continue.
Okay. Good afternoon to everyone. I express my sincere thanks to organizing committee for providing an opportunity to participate in summer school. As a process engineer and despite of little knowledge in field of agriculture, I liked presentation of natural farming, minimal processing, value addition, increasing farmers' income, nutritional, food security, etc. I hope such type of training and conferences in online mode will be organized regularly for faculty development. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Now I'll request the Nazarene Sultan Ahmad, Assistant Professor, Department of Fish Processing Technology, to give a feedback.
Okay, thank you, sir. So good afternoon, everyone. So as we draw to end this remarkable 21-day summer school on livelihood security through sustainable horticulture and allied enterprises, which was jointly organized by ICR Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture, Srinagar, KVK Baramulla, and NADCL, Baramulla, Jammu and Kashmir. So today I am filled with a profound sense of accomplishment as well as optimism. And whatever over this past 3 weeks, this program has been a vibrant melting pot of ideas as well as knowledge. And in this regard, I have to thank the organizing committee for choosing, selecting the expert, or we can say the resource persons, for their outstanding and very informative lectures which they have delivered on this summer school. And being a person from a different background, now I could say that I know various scientific terminologies in this horticulture field, like as the sion. What is sion? I could now, as a layman, I have gathered various knowledges regarding this horticulture through this 21 day summer school. And I have came to know that the name of various fruits which basically we don't see, and it has not been grown in the part of Assam. So I means I have come across various different types of fruits, and it has fascinated me a lot. So in this regard, I would like to thank the organizers for means selecting the resource person, which they have given various lecturers, which I was means not aware of that. And at the same time, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the chief patron for this for their unwavering support and visionary guidance. And to say about our organizing directors, course coordinator, convener, and training coordinators. Sir, your guidance, dedication, and meticulous planning have been exemplary. I could say it's very exemplary. And the seamless execution of this summer school that has shown a testament to your tireless effort and collaborative spirit. So, with this, I would like to conclude and I would like to congratulate all the organizing persons who are directly or indirectly associated in successful means organization of this summer school, that is 21 days summer school on livelihood security through sustainable horticulture and allied enterprises. So I would like means I am conveying the heartfelt thanks to each and everyone who is directly or indirectly associated with this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Nazrin Sultan, for giving an valuable feedback as a participant. Now it's time to take a feedback from a resource person the card of a resource person from the different parts of India to deliver the lecture on the topic. Now I'll request that Shabir Ahmad, the senior scientist, ICR, CATH, Srinagar, to
So,
give a feedback as a resource person.
So Dr. Shabirama cannot join at present. If we
Okay, no issues, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much on behalf of this. Now I request Dr. S.K. Goyal, the Associate Professor, Department of Agriculture Engineering, Institute of Agriculture Science, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, to give the insight about this one training program as a resource person, sir. Dr. S.K. Goyal, sir, please.
Excuse me.
Yeah, sir. You're audible, sir. Please go ahead. You're
Okay,
audible.
okay. Sir, one call is coming. Give me 2 minutes, sir.
Okay,
I'm
sir.
joining by incoming call.
No issues, no issues. No issues, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
So,
You're audible.
thank you, Dr. Mukunat, sir. First, I would like to thank the organizers to giving me this opportunity to interact or giving my feedback as a resource person. So, thank you. I would like to thank organizers to organize such an important summer school on livelihood security for sustainable horticulture and allied enterprises, which is uh, jointly organized by ICR Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture, Srinagar, KBK Baramulla, and premier or esteemed Institute of India, that is National Agriculture Development Cooperative Limited, Baramulla. So first, I would like to welcome our honorable chief guest, who is Dr. Hanuman Thappa, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Agricultural Sciences, Raichur, Karnataka. And secondly, guest of honors, Dr. Jagati Desmania, Administrative Officer from Raichur, Professor Niranjan Panda, Dean of Research, OUT Bhubaneswar, Dr. Rehana Habib, Director Extension, SQAT Kashmir, and especially the course coordinator of this 21 days course, Dr. Soheb Nasir Kirmani and Dr. Basim Hassan Raja. So as many of things has already been discussed about the program, about the lectures, about the resource person, about the participants. So I would try to give my feedback within 2 words limiting. I found the whole course is designed in a very systematic and scientific way. As the participant, Dr. Sultana said, the whole program is designed and the sequence of lectures, or you can say the schedule of the topic which is given by different resource person of India. Most of the resource person were from, I think, Jammu and Kashmir and other national ICR institutes and other universities. That is a renowned field of agriculture of our India. So, as I have got a chance to give a talk on this business opportunities in progress processing of horticultural produces. Actually, this the processing industry is also a part of livelihood and allied enterprise sector. As a process engineer, as Dr. Duck from Pantnagar said, the engineers are different. You can say they study the different field of agriculture. But during this course, the participants may gain the different subjects of the agriculture. There are a number of, I think, 12 to 16 department in the agriculture field. So there are agronomy, horticulture, and entomology, dairy science, and many other things. So this course is designed in a very meticulous way, and the whole resource persons will provide important knowledge to the participants, and that knowledge may be definitely will be helpful to the participants. And this is from my side to the resource person feedback. But I give my personal experience for 2 minutes regarding this NADCL. This National Agricultural Development Cooperative Limited, Baramulla. I have my personal experience with this organization. Dr. Aresa and Hamida Madam is continuously contacting with me, and I used to contact them when I need any type of help. So I have already planned or conducted a 21-day summer school during 1st to 21st September 2023, and that is based on recent advances in agricultural engineering for doubling farmers' income. And in future, recently we have planned as a FDP faculty development program on this recent advances in plant production for intensive organic farming, and which is scheduled during this 7 to 27th October of this year, 2025. As I know, this NADCL is a premier institute, not an institute, it's an organization. And as Dr. Manjunath sir said, this organization is a very, you can say, different type of organization. And we are doing the work with the mutual importance of institutions like ICR, BHU, and other agricultural universities. So, as my personal experience, this is a very unique type of organization which is do the work as the problem rectified by the scientist or any farmer, and they try to get the solution, and they provide the solution by the scientific methods and with the approval of the scientific manner. As I know, NADCL has organized a number of international conferences like Navsari Agriculture University, Gujarat, Indira Gandhi Agriculture University, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, that happened in last year during winters, and many other universities collaborating with this NADCL organization, and they are organizing a very sophisticated
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir. Dr. Sunil Kumar Goyal, sir. Maybe some, I think, network issue. We'll move on to further. Thank you, Dr. S.K. Goyal, sir, for your valuable feedback as a resource person. The small change in the program. Now we'll call upon our today's chief guest, Dr. M. Anumantappa, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Agriculture Science, Raichur, Karnataka. Before handovering the mic to the sir, I'll read about a brief biodata of a sir. Sir is presently working as an Honorable Vice Chancellor for US, Raichur, Karnataka. Sir has 34 years of experience. Sir has serving as a 2 times as a Vice Chancellor. Sir earlier worked as a Vice Chancellor for Keladi Shivapanayaka, University of Agriculture and Horticulture Science, Shivamogga. Sir has worked as a Director of Education, Director of Research, and also Dean of Horticulture, Moodgere. Sir is published more than 110 scientific paper, 22 book chapter, 50 extension bulletin, and handled more than 100 externally funded the project. And he has organized more than 500 field days, 10 Krishi Mela, 200 training and 50 workshops, seminar and training. And he has gotten plenty of awards. In among that, around 60 international, 11 national, 5 university, and he has played a very important role in enable accreditation of laboratories of different units. And again, the biodata goes on. There is no time to read about the biodata. Now we'll call upon Dr. Hanumantappa sir, address the participant and everyone. Sir, please, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Manjunath, and all the colleagues who joined the valedictory function, particularly the Kirmani Sohaib Kirmani has highlighted the entire program of 21 days, particularly with respect to the summer school is concerned, livelihood security through sustainable horticulture and allied entrepreneurs. With the jointly organized with the Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture, Srinagar, and National Agriculture Development Cooperative Limited, NADCL, Baramulla. So this has been really more than 30 lectures we have covered, and this is the need of the hour. Especially horticultural crops has taken a lead in the production with respect to the production is concerned compared to the agricultural productions. So mainly because of lot of emphasis was given to the horticulture, particularly horticulture mission, National Horticulture Board. This has given a much more importance for the production of horticultural produce. So horticulture-based livelihood security is a very, very important, particularly that is the temperate region, that is the apple is the major crop and the other horticulture crops. So most of the areas you have covered, especially with respect to the high-density multi-species cropping system, and also horticulture with respect to even vegetables, annuals, perennials, and also biennials. So all the activities have covered throughout the season. We can employ the resources, make use the resources very effectively with the incorporating of the all this one, even including you have a vermicompost. Some of them, lot of organic waste we can get it from the perennials. So initially we can go through the certain extent organic or inorganic extent, but later we can have a fully organic with respect to the horticulture crops is concerned compared to the agriculture crops. We can easily meet out with the resources if you utilize it properly with respect to the horticulture crops. If you take example for the coconut, we can have a lot of organic waste from the coconuts, more than 30 leaves we can have in the, every month we can have a one plant as well as a one leaf, and we can have a make use the effective utilization for coconut. Like that, many other crops we can horticulture crops, perennial crops, a lot of residues will be very effectively utilized for the organic farming. So very easily adapt organic farming in horticulture crops. So this is very much required with respect to livelihood is concerned. Agriculture is combined with the animal husbandry, particularly either dairy or fisheries or poultry. Poultry, we can have a double the income very quickly with 5 to 6 batches annually. We can very easily within 2 months, one batch of poultry. Definitely, we can increase the income double as our Prime Minister dream. We can meet out with the poultry components is incorporated. Dairy also we can sustain the income of the farmer, livelihood security, daily income and monthly income and annual income. Like that, we can have a plan throughout the season. Throughout the day, we can get the income. Even if you poultry, you can get a daily egg. So like that, milk also we can get daily. And if it is the vegetables, at least there is a 3 months, 2 months, 1 month, we can continuously we can get the income from the source of the livelihood security, particularly horticulture-based animal husbandry cropping system, definitely. So most of the things we have covered in the almost all the topics. Particularly, one we are missing, even including you have covered the bee, honeybee. So honeybee is also very, very important. Some of the farmers, if we have a major source of income from the honeybee, definitely they can earn more than 5 to 6 lakhs annually we can buy their colonies, or we can get the honey, we can honey processing. That is a lot of scope is given by the government. So we can definitely, that is also. And other things, only we have a mushroom production. So that we have missed in the entire season. That is also gaining a lot of importance. Even mushroom, two types of mushroom we can very easily produce. And with respect to the vermicompost, even some of the farmers, even only by doing the vermicompost, whatever the residues or waste available in the farm, very effectively managed, and they are getting more than 50 to 60. Where there is especially coastal areas, that is we are getting this much of income, 50 to 70,000 on an average, we can get it. So that this definitely it will helpful for this summer institute, for the especially young scientists, those who are joined recently, assistant professors, SMS, and then KVK gaining a lot of importance, especially by giving the training to department officials as well as farmers, rural youths. So the targeted groups, that will definitely helpful. Baramati KVK has made a very good name in the country. So definitely it will be helpful for this type of summer institute. Will especially young scientists and as well as postgraduate teachers, postgraduate students joined in the for this webinar. So it is useful after the post-COVID. This has gaining a lot of importance with the hybrid mode of conducting the seminars, organize especially webinars. So these are things definitely will helpful for the all the faculty members. So I once again congratulate the organizers, especially Manjunath, Sahib Kirmani, and all other organizers, and both the organizers, especially Baramulla and Srinagar Central Institute of Temperate Horticulture, and also KVK Baramulla and National Agriculture Development Cooperative Limited Baramulla. So I thanks to all the organizers giving me opportunity to share few things with you. Thank you, one and all. I wish you all the best to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. On your busy schedule, you can
Thank
able
you.
to join and you can address our the participant and also enlightening about horticulture, crop, organic farming, and also integrated farming along with honey bee. And also you can thought about the mushroom and also vermicompost in the future. You try to include this mushroom production and also vermicompost.
One more thing, we have a very good labs, as you said, NABL accredited
Yes,
3 labs. We have a food microbiology lab and a pesticide residue lab and pesticide formulation lab. And meantime, we have nanotechnology and processing. So processing validations, we have given importance to this one. That is especially horticulture crops is a need that has been covered. So lot of processing is required, and for the benefit of the individual as well as health conscious, lot of fruits and vegetables we have to eat. So that we are given a importance for the horticulture livelihood security. That is a most important topic. Definitely it is helpful for the everyone. I once again congratulate the everyone. Thank you, Manjunath. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And again, you are looking forward for your collaboration in future as a part of NADCL, sir.
And
Definitely
meantime,
will be yes, sir.
one more meantime, that is we have a hydroponic technology for especially dairy. Where
Okay,
there is a shortage of powder, we can low cost powder production, green powder, and milk also increases. To a certain extent, we can save the especially feed cost.
Okay, sir.
Concentrate
Cost of
feed,
milk
we can
production
nearly
will be reduced.
20% we can save. So today we have developed a technology with the solar operated
Okay, sir.
hydroponics technology. We are going to demonstrate entire our Kalyan Karnataka region. These are the things we are, and also we have also packaging technology, vacuum packaging technology without any deterioration for the package. That is also we have. So if anybody wants to interested to visit our institute or university, please welcome. I thank you everyone. Thank you one and all.
Definitely, sir. We are eagerly waiting for a collaboration and also visit your institute. Definitely, as a part of NADCL, we'll collaborate to so many other international or maybe national conference with your agriculture university, sir. Thank you for sparing your time with us, sir.
Thank you. Shall I leave?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. No
Okay,
issues.
all the best.
Sir,
Madam.
Sir, madam.
Sorry for interruption. Sir, adu seminar declare ಮಾಡಿ sir conference.
I welcome all the participants to our university on date, which date it is when?
28, 29, 30, 31 December, sir.
This is December. We have a very good weather. By the time we have a very good pilgrim centers also, especially Raghavendra temple nearby Raichur. So our university, we have to welcome all the scientists. Thank you, one and all.
Definitely, sir. We'll join
Under
you
the-
the conference.
Under
With
the
collaboration with the NADCL, sir.
Yes, sir,
NADCL, under the
definitely,
leadership of Dr. Jagrati, madam. So he is
Okay,
taking
sir. Okay, nice,
lead
sir.
our
Sir, can I say, sir,
important to ladies also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Sir is saying something, sir, that the Dean of Research, sir.
Tell,
Sir,
tell.
Please.
sir, thank you for your remarks, sir. I am Professor Niranjan Panda,
Yes.
Dean of Research, sir. Sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
are very shortly conducting one 21 days training program with the NADCL collaborations.
Okay, okay.
From 5th to 25th. I will just say further actually when my term will
Thank
come.
you, sir. Thank you. Sir, we are eagerly conduct all the training program with all the SOUs, sir. Definitely we'll collaborate with you people and we'll do in a batch, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You are most welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Now we'll call upon Dr. Jagrati B. Deshamanya, Administrative Officer, University of Agriculture Science, Raichur. Before handing the mic to Madam, I'll read about a brief biodata of Anna Madam. She is working presently as an Administrative Officer and Professor at University of US Raichur. Madam has completed MA and MPhil in role of a woman labor in agriculture and PhD in development through an Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Indian Economy and Agriculture Ideas for Small Size of a Landholder. 30 years of experience, Madam, in teaching, research, extension, and also administration. She has worked in a different cadre, and also she has a deputy director for student welfare, university aid for an agriculture economy, and handled so many external product, guided 3 PhDs, 7 MSc students, 52 research, 8 books, and again is a member for so many national and also international. That's an committees, and Madam is more than 20 awards. Again, the biodata goes on like this. Now I will request Madam to address the participant. Madam, please.
Thank you, Manjuna sir, for introducing me. And thank you to all the organizers and especially Kirmani sir. And as we all know that, and all the experts has said about the training program of 21 days summer school on livelihood security through sustainable horticulture and allied enterprises. And it has started on 10th, and today it is concluding, and near about 25 that experts has given their lecture on the different topics, and all the topics are very, very important, and all those topics are very helpful for the agriculture, horticulture, as sir has added honeybee and even mushroom cultivation and so much. And as we all know that in these days that the development of horticulture is a need of our. And as I congratulate to the organizer for the successful completion of this 21 days program. And as we all know that in future, the more and more people are, especially the middle class and upper class people will shifting from food consumption to the this fruit consumption. And because of all this, today the agriculture and as well as horticulture is a very important branch of agriculture that deals with the cultivation of plants and vegetables for food, medicine, and other uses. It includes everything from growing flowers, vegetables in a backyard garden to raising crops in large-scale operations. Horticulture involves the study of plants, their growth and development, and it is a unique field of study. Horticulture is a unique field of study. It combines elements of all the agriculture courses, and it protects the soil and other aspects of plant biology. Horticulturists are responsible for the selection and propagation of plants and maintenance of soil quality. And horticultural practices can also include landscaping and other designs. And at the same time, horticulture crops play a vital role in providing food and nutrition security to the Indian population. They provide an important source of nutrition, especially to the rural and tribal population. Fruits and vegetables are the major source of vitamins and minerals in the diet of Indian population. So, horticulture is also major source of income for farmers, as our Vice Chancellor, Honorable Vice Chancellor has said. It is the dream of our Prime Minister also, doubling the farmer income. So, by including from only one agriculture, we cannot double the farmer income. In that, we have to include horticulture, floriculture, animal husbandry, and all. Then only we can our dream come true. So it provides, horticulture provides them an opportunity to diversify their income. Horticulture is also an important source of raw material and food processing industry. And the importance of horticulture is also seen in its role in protecting the environment. And the cultivation of trees, plants help to absorb carbon dioxide and reduce air pollution and help maintain soil fertility. And horticulture is also important for the development of rural economy. It provides a way to generate income and employment in rural youths in the rural areas. Thus, it helps to reduce the poverty of the farmers and improve the standard of living of the rural farmers. So overall, that horticulture is a major provider of employment in India, particularly for the women and marginalized and small sections of the society. So totally the horticulture is one of the important the field in the development of horticulture in India has led to the creation of several value added products and services such as processing, packaging facilities, which have helped to increase the competitiveness of the sector. So, horticulture is also an important source of foreign exchange for India, with a significant portion of the country's horticultural produce being exported to the other countries. So, because of this, the government of India has implemented various policies and programs to promote the growth and the development of the horticulture sector. And in these days, so all these are very, very important. As we all know that India is the second largest producer of fruits after Brazil, and India accounts for 10% of the total world production of fruits. It leads to the world in the production of mango, banana, sapota, and acid lime, beside recording highest productivity in grapes. And as we all know that, and we should know, it is very, very important point. India ranks second in vegetable production next to China in area and production, contributing 13.8% to the total world production. So India occupies the first position in cauliflower, second in onion, third in cabbage in the world. So as we say that India in the production of the horticulture crops and horticulture field, it is going ahead. And for this, we thank the ICR and our KVKs and all SAUs and all the horticulture universities and those who are working for the development of horticulture crops, and these substitute to the agriculture and other animal sectors. So as we know that in this 21 days program, they have covered almost all the horticulture crops and the horticulture topic only. So, and so many experts from all over India, they have covered all the topics which will help for the future in India. So thank you one and all for giving me an opportunity to express my few ideas and few views for this training. Thank you, Anand, for giving me an opportunity to express my idea. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Jagannathi, Madam, Administrative Officer, the University of Agriculture in Rajshur, for enlightening about what is the importance of the fruit consumption and the livelihood of another thing, and also enlightening about India, where it will stand in horticulture production and everything. Thank you, Madam, for sparing your time with us. Now,
Sir, once again, I thank Kirmani sir and Amit sir and all the organizers, those who have taken so much, they have spent so much of time for organizing and selecting the topic and selecting the experts and all that. So thank you, Anand.
Thank you once
Thank you,
again,
ma'am.
Madam, for sparing your time with us and joining for a valedictory session, ma'am. Now, I'll request one more the guest of honor, the Professor Niranjana Panda. Before handovering again the mic, I'll read about the brief biodata. Sir, presently working as a Dean of Research in Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. The sir has completed a PhD from Animal Nutrition, NDRI Kernel, and also sir has gotten a gold medal in MUSC and PhD topper, more than 30 years of experience. A area of specialization, sir, is dairy cattle nutrition, poultry nutrition, small ruminant nutrition, crops residues utilization as a feed. Sir has published more than 70 publications, 16 book chapter, 20 lead paper, 30 TV and also radio talks. Sir is an fellow for so many, that's a professional body. Sir has completed so many projects and is having so many awards. We're honored to have you here, sir. Now we'll request the Professor Niranjan Panda, sir, to address the gathering.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. Dr. Manjanath.
Yes,
Thank you.
Sir.
Dr. Kirmani, and by absentia, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Hanuman Thapa, and Director Extension, Madam Rahiba Habib, Mahendra Kumar Bharmaji, Wasim Raja, and Kirmani ji, all who are present from the NADCL and from the Baramulla, from the ICR Central Institute. So I am happy that first I thanks for you inviting me as a guest of honor, and I'm happy that you are conducting a nice program of this livelihood security through sustainable horticulture and allied enterprises through online mode, and to see how online has helped us sitting every part of the India, not only world. We are able to give lecturers, we are able to hear from you. You are having a good congregation of the scientists, and the topics you have covered I've already seen. So as far as already Vice Chancellor and Madam has already told how the potential of horticulture is there as far as India is concerned. Perhaps we are the largest producer of the fruits, and India is known as the fruit basket of the world. And perhaps starting from the mango, grapes, apples, apricots, whatever is not there. As far as vegetable is concerned, from temperate to humid tropics and from the sea level to snow line. So everywhere our vegetables is there. Starting, and this is one of the cheapest source of natural ingredients. We most of the time you see from 1950 up to 70, we are mostly focusing on the crop. Now, whatever we have changed our area, changed our perceptions from the starting from the scientists till the administrators, how we can grow, because now our plate have been filled up. We how to get the nutritional, not only livelihood security, how the nutritional security will be there. So minus horticulture, we may not have the nutritional security. So that's why it is one of the cheapest source of natural ingredients. If you see the production and productivity of the horticulture crops is it is an encouraging result is coming throughout the last decades. If you see the whatever already Madam has told, if you see the export potential of the horticulture crops, it is one of the greatest. If you see fruits and vegetables, it's a total, it's combinationally or combinedly, it is around 1,814 million USD dollar per year. We are exporting fruits and vegetables, and the fruits we are almost contributing 986 and vegetables contributing 828 US million dollars. So it's not a small thing. So there is a great potential is there, but still, if you see the world market is concerned, we are only 1% of the total global market. So though we are exporting such a huge amount, or we were taking of the foreign exchequer, still we are not able to meet, or our percentage is not enough as far as the world is concerned. So a lot of things we have to go ahead, but because we may not have that much facility, state of art cold chain is not there. We have the quality assurance is not there. Recently, we have heard that a lot of mango have been exported to USA, and due to this problem, some quality assurance they have rejected. And perhaps I do not know how much money has been there. And from the Mumbai airport, it has gone. So like this, actually, we have to see the quality assurance also. So I thanks the organizer to conducting such a nicely seminar, taking the horticulture accounts as well as the all allied enterprises, whatever our honorable vice chancellor told. Without the animal husbandry or the poultry and dairy, we cannot sustain it actually. That is one of the greatest role, how the economy is dependent of, if you see the investment to economic gets. So the animal husbandry is growing at a rate of not less than 5 to 6% per year, and especially poultry is growing at a rate of around 8 to 10% per year in the last 1.5 decades. So there is a great potentiality of this in integrated farming or livelihood security. Animal husbandry also plays a vital role for this. So we have to combination of the horticulture, animal husbandry. We can make our farmers to more sustainable and more livelihood. So I thank one and again all for this, and thanks for the organizer. And what I already told, we are collaborating with the NADCL. Recently, we are going to conduct one of the 21-day training program, that is the recent technologies of agriculture, horticulture, and livestock-based integrated farming system for doubling farmers' income. So this is a collaboration of the VOT and NADCL. So I am perhaps the not the coordinator, the course coordinator is our one of the animal scientists, Dr. Parag Acharya is there. So through this, my directorate has processed this file, and we're going to get approved from our vice chancellor. So thank you, and once again we all invite that you join with this our course actually, and if you have get time also visit to our institute also. Thank you once again all.
Thank you, the Professor Niranjan Panda sir, for enlightening about the importance of animal nutrition, importance of animal nutrition, and also what is said about the new, what you're going to get a natural ingredient from a vegetable and also fruit. And again, from the NADCL side, we also eagerly waiting to do conduct this type of a training. Definitely, sir, we'll both together will do a better thing, and also it should be appreciated by everybody, sir. Thank you for sparing a valuable time with us, sir. Thank you, sir, once again. Now, I'll request one more the guest of an honor. Thank you, sir. The Rahiba Habib, Director of Extension, SKU to Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. Before handing a mic, again, I'll read about the brief biodata of a madam. Madam is having more than 30 years of an experience. The worked as a Dean of Faculty of Agriculture, Head of Division for Agronomy. She has completed MSc and also PhD. Made an area of specialization is crop weather relationship, climate change adoption, and mitigation sustainable crop production. More than 7 externally funded projects. More than 150 research articles Madam has published, 30 review articles, 50 book articles, 40 popular article, member for the different national international bodies, and is having distinguishing award from Distinguished Scientist Award, Best Coordinator Award, so many awards. Now I will request the Madam Rahina Habib to address the gathering. Madam, please.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Yeah, madam, you are audible, madam. Please go ahead.
Professor Hanuman Thapaji, Vice Chancellor, Raichur University, and Professor Niranjan Panda, Dean Research, OUAT, then Dr. Wasim Hassan Raja and other deans and directors who are the esteemed guests over here today. It's indeed an honor and privilege for me to address you all to the momentous occasion, that is the valedictory session of 21-day online summer school on livelihood security through sustainable horticulture and allied enterprises, organized by 3 very proactive institutions in Jammu and Kashmir, that's ICRCITH, Srinagar, KVK Baramulla, and the National Agriculture Development Corporation, Cooperative Limited, Baramulla. The theme of this program could not be more timely or relevant. It was at a time when climate vulnerability market unpredictability, and livelihood insecurities dominate the rural discourse. Sustainable horticulture and allied enterprises offer a beacon of hope, and more importantly, a framework for income resilience, employment generation, and nutritional security. Jammu and Kashmir is blessed with unique agroclimatic diversity, making it a treasure trove for temperate horticulture. However, to convert this potential into prosperity, we must promote integrated, sustainable, and market-driven models. And this is precisely what the summer school aimed at. I'm happy to note that the training program brought together scientific, entrepreneurial, and policy perspectives. The participation of resource persons of national repute, including Dr. Sunil Tiwari, Dr. Deshbir Singh, Dr. Neena Chauhan, Dr. Rajesh K. Rana, Dr. M.K. Verma, all among others, will surely enrich the season. It must have enriched the sessions and stimulate leadership among the participants, as per the feedback of the participants which we received, that they were very extremely happy with this course, and they have learned, and they have been aware of this now, whatever have been discussed here. So extension education today is no longer just about transferring technology. It's about building capacities, nurturing innovations, and fostering linkages between farmers, institutions, markets, and a policy framework. At SCOST-K, along with our partners, including ICR, CITH, our Extension Directorate has been advocating for convergence-led, ICT-enabled, and livelihood-oriented approaches that complement precisely the ethos of this training. To the young scientists, field practitioners, and participants, I urge you to make the most of the platform which you learned from this. Your learning should not remain in notebooks. It must translate into on-ground transformation, enterprise development, and community empowerment. And I hope that you were benefited by this training, and you will benefit the farmers in the long term. So I take this opportunity to congratulate Dr. Suhail, Dr. Wasim, and the entire team for creating such a rich and comprehensive training module and conducting it successfully for the 21 days, and for bringing together a consortium of institutions committed to sustainable agriculture. So with these words, I wish you good luck for the future also, and such collaboration should take place. Interinstitutional collaborations are mandatory at this time, and it's going to help us to reach to the farmers, to get all the technologies to the farmers' footstep, at his doorstep, in a very precise and efficient manner. So we have seen that many of the programs which now our Honorable Agriculture Minister wants to be conducted as one team. Even on 2nd of August, we are going to have a PM Kisan, this installment has to be released. And there also they have insisted on that all the institutions that are working for the benefit of the farmers should act as one team. So in this way, I congratulate all of you for having become as a one team in these 21 days and done this training successfully. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Rihana Abiba, Director of Extension SKUT Kashmir, for sparing your time with us and enlightening about the course and also extension education importance and integrated and sustainable marketing. Thank you, ma'am. We will end this year again in the future also, eagerly waiting to coordinate with you people for conducting any national or international seminar or a workshop also. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now is the last part of this valedictory session is a vote of thanks. I'll request Dr. Wasim Hasan Raja, that's the Scientist and Course Director, ICR CITS Srinagar, to deliver a vote of thanks.
Manjunath sir.
Yeah, madam.
One small submission.
Yeah, please, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Please go ahead.
And as already our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir has said, on 29th to 31st December 2025, 3 days international conference on sustainable innovation in agriculture, veterinary and allied sciences, main campus at EVS Raichur. We are conducting this international conference in collaboration with the University of Agriculture Sciences, US Raichur and National Agriculture Development Cooperative Limited, NADCL, Baramulla, Jammu and Kashmir, on 3 days. So please participate in this and visit to our university. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. I request all the participants to give a wide publicity and also make a time to attend this international conference. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Definitely will be the part of everything. Now I'll request Dr. Wasim Hasan Raja, the scientist and also post director, to deliver the vote of thanks. Dr. Wasim, please. Dr. Wasim. Amida Khan, Dr. Wasim sir is online or not?
I think sir has some issues with his internet
No
connection.
issues, no issues, no issues. Myself only deliver the vote of thanks. Again, that's we are now is an end of an 21 days. That's a valedictory section of a summer school of livelihood security through sustainable horticulture and allied sciences. Now I will take this an opportunity to thank that's today's chief guest, that's Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. M. Anumantappa University of Agriculture Science Rajchur, for gracing this occasion and addressing about our participant, but sparing the time with us. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much on behalf of an NADCL and also on behalf of an CATH Srinagar. Again, we will going to thank the guest of honor, that Jagrati B. Deshmanya, the Professor Niranjana Panda, Dr. Rehana Abiba, for being with us, enlightening our participant and sparing your time with us. Thank you, one and all. This is a guest of honor for delivering of a guest of honor address. I am going to thank all the participants, the participators from different parts of a country and resource person from the different part of a country. They given a valuable talk on different topics concerned to the horticulture and also allied sector. And I'll thank all the organizers, especially the coordinators, the convener, patron, co-patron, and everyone, each and everyone, directly or indirectly, they supported for this event, for this successful completion of this 21 days summer school. Started on 10th, we are ending on 30. And again, we need to thank the coordinator from an NADCL, Dr. Arisha, and also the moderator, Amida. Each and everyone has contributed in one way to successful completion of this training program. Finally, again, once again, I'll thank all the participants for patiently hearing this valedictory session and also enlightening your knowledge in concern to the horticulture. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much. We'll collaborate in the future with the different agricultural universities or SAUs and central institutions. The NADCL eagerly waiting for to conduct so many so many trainings and also national and international conference. We look forward for your any query or anything to the NADCL portal. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. Officially, we're ending this 21 days, this summer school now. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you, Manjunath.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.